Strawberries are gonna take the place of tomatoes in my strawberry ricotta bruschetta. So I've got some small diced strawberries here, and I'm just gonna add some fresh mint to it. I love mint and strawberries. A little bit of olive oil and a pinch of flaky sea salt.
Oh, olive oil is like the glue that just brings it together.
You need just a little bit.
Helps it go down.
Gives it a little extra shine, too.
Yeah. So I sliced up the baguette, a little olive oil on it, grilled it up to turn it into a little nice toasty crostini, spread it with some fresh ricotta cheese, and then just hit each one, and then just top each one with a few tablespoons
Does that
of
look
your strawberry
delicious?
mixture.
It's so colorful.
Tell this whole plate up, tear
It
it
is
up.
pretty. If you put them together, it'd be even more
And
pretty.
then I'm gonna hit it with just a little bit more of that flaky sea salt. I really
idea.
want that saltiness to come through. And then I've got some
Booyaka!
aged balsamic vinegar. And there you go.
That is beautiful,
It's
Katie.
competition. Beautiful. I need to try that.
How's that for summer bruschetta?
I'm going in.
Go in.
Get in there.
Come on, Sonny. What you think?
I don't even know. The strawberries are tangy, but the balsamic comes in and smooths it all out.
Yeah.
Ricotta cheese is good. You can put it on a shoe. It's delicious, right? I don't miss the tomatoes at all.